I thought it was about time I had a little chit chat. So hello, and this is, what day is it? Fuck knows. It's Tuesday. Great. I think I've had too much Christmas. I've eaten too much Christmas. That's for starts anyway. Anyhow, what's okay? This always happens to me. I say, okay, I make a video, blah blah blah, and I go and do it. I get camera shy, then I forget what I'm going to say. I have it all planned in my head. What head? She says. Oh look, hang on. It's a bunny. Check my bunny t-shirt. It's really nice, isn't it? Hello. Sniffy nose. No. It's my pyjamas. Shh. Anyhow, yeah, what was I going to say? I'll get with it in a minute because, I don't know. Definitely too much Christmas for me. Yeah, well, I was going to say that I want to tell everyone that I'm fine. Thumbs up. Because the paintings I've been doing and the poetry I've been doing have been a bit gloomy, to say the least, and I just wanted, and people keep saying to me, oh, remember your love, blah blah blah, and that, which is so lovely, and people keep asking me what's happened to me, and nothing's happened to me. I'm creating, I think is the word, and gone dark. And creating is part of me, and when I create I like to take emotions, and sometimes I push those emotions a bit further than maybe I actually feeling them. But something I really love is that I can create emotion from people who look at my art. Did that make sense? Or should I word it a different way? I like the fact that when I create a painting, I can create an emotion in somebody. I think that's right. Yeah, that would do. Yeah. So that's what I'm getting at. And when I write a poem, it may be something I'm feeling, but the creative process takes it further than how I'm feeling, but not always, because a couple of those poems are true. So yeah, but I just want to say I'm fine, and thank you for everybody for all your concern, but it's all okay most of the time. Yeah, and yeah, that's about it really, and hope everyone had a good Christmas, and looking forward to the new year, new beginnings. I really get start thinking things that I'm going to change, and oh, next year's going to be fantastic, and I never do it, never. But the thought's there, maybe that's something that counts anyway. Oh, definitely too much Christmas today. Not today. It's not Christmas today. What am I on? Anyway, yeah. So it's actually warm here today. You know, it's been the coldest in years, and my boiler packs up, and I haven't had any hot water for 2 months now. It comes and goes. It depends whether it's feeling okay today. We go, oh, it's really cold today. I shan't work, and the heating won't work either. So I freeze. And now this morning it's raining and it's warm, and I'm too hot. So, oh well, stop complaining. I'm lucky with what I've got. I am. I keep telling myself that. Yeah, I am. Okay. Anyway. What was I going to show today? I think if I get round to finishing editing the video, I'm going to show you a commission piece that I've been working on for a lovely little friend of mine. Hi Lee. I hope she likes it. Okay, so bye. Ooh, someone's come to say hello. Kimmy, say hello. This is my cat. She's very old. Oh, she doesn't like being picked up either, but she doesn't often come and sit on me. And she just has. So she wants to say hello. You cold, Kimmy? Say hello. She smells a bit. She's very old. She leaks at both ends. I love her. See, I mustn't say that too loud because she gets offended.